Now let us solve another numerical related to gravitational force of attraction. So in the numerical we have gravitational force between two objects is F. How will this force change when we have three different conditions, right? So in order to solve such type of general questions, what we have to consider, let m1 and m2 are the masses of two objects separated by a distance r. Therefore, the force between them is given by F is equal to G m1 m2 over r square. Now, let us move to the first condition. Now, we have to find the change in value of F if distance between them becomes double. Now, he's saying that distance between two objects is doubled, but there is no change in their masses. So, let's move to the first part. According to the question, distance is made doubled. That is, new distance r dash is equal to twice the original distance r, right? It is written here. Distance between them become double, right? And there is no change in the mass here. So only change is there in the distance. So new distance r dash is equal to twice the original distance r. So new force F dash is equal to G. There is no change in masses m1 m2, and now new distance is r dash, so r dash square. So just use the value of r dash here. F dash is equal to G m1 m2. In the place of r dash, now we have 2r, so 2r square. So on solving it, F dash is equal to G m1 m2, 2 to the 4r square. Now you see G m1 m2 over r square, it is the original force. G m1 m2 over r square, it is the original force, that is the previous force. So new force F dash is equal to, it is 1 by 4 of a original force. It means new force is reduced by 1 by 4th of original value. So the result is force will reduce to 1 by 4th of its previous value. So it is the first part. Now let us move to the second part here. In second part, mass of two objects is reduced to half. Means mass of each object is reduced to half. So we have to impose this condition here. So according to the question, just see here, new mass m1 dash is equal to m1 by 2 and new mass m2 is equal to m2 by 2, right? And there is no change in distance. Therefore, new force F dash is equal to G m1 dash m2 dash over r square. Now just use the value of m1 dash and m2 dash here. So new force F dash is equal to G. In the place of m1 dash, you will write m1 over 2. In the place of m2 dash, you will write m2 over 2. Now let us solve it. 2 to the 4. So it is 1 by 4, and rest we have G m1 m2 over r square. So you see it is the original or the previous value of force. So the new force F dash is equal to 1 by 4th of the original value. So in this case, force will reduce to 1 by 4th of its previous value. Now let us move to the third case, that is, it is very interesting now. Distance between them is doubled, right? And mass of each object is reduced to half. Now you see, in third condition, distance as well as masses both are changed. So now let us impose the condition here in third part. Just see, according to the question, right? Now distance between them is doubled, means new distance r dash is equal to twice r, 2r, and mass of each object is reduced to half, means new mass m1 dash is equal to m1 by 2 and new mass m2 dash is equal to m2 over half. It means in this case both distance as well as masses are changed. So now new force F dash can be written, it is G m1 dash m2 dash over r dash square. Just use the values here. So f dash is equal to g, m1 dash means m1 by 2, m2 dash means m2 by 2, and r dash is equal to twice r, so twice r square here. So f dash is equal to, now just see, 2 2s are 4, so 1 by 4, g m1 m2, and 2 2s are 4 r square. So f dash can be written 1 by 16, 4 into 4 16, g m1 m2 over r square. So you see it is the previous value of force here. So new force f dash is equal to 1 by 16th of the original force f. So in this case force will reduce 1 by 16th of its previous value. So it means in order to solve such type of general numericals, you have to set the previous force or original force, then you have to apply the conditions according to the question, right? And you have to find the new force, and you have to check that new force changes by what amount. Okay, so